What's up everyone, JMOS here, and today I'm going to show you how to crash any iPhone running the latest build of iOS. Currently it's iOS 12.1.4, but this works on any version of iOS 12. This is currently the iPhone XS Max, as you see, gold. And we're going to go to settings, clicks, and go to software update, and you see we're on iOS 12.1.4. Now this crash is very simple. All you have to do is swipe down and then tap the dictation button. Hyphen, 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 hyphen. And there you go. This works on any dictation or text-to-speech. So any application that has it will crash the app. But if you want to crash the whole system, you just do it in that section where I was at, and it will cause a respring. So one more time, once again, this works on any application, but it'll be best to just do it in the springboard. So if you swipe down, go to the search, and then you tap the little dictation button, microphone, and you say hyphen, 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 hyphen. And there you go, it crashes the phone. This works on any phone running any build of iOS 12. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.